is you have been able to get a number of Panchayat candidates unopposed. How is it possible? How is it possible? Is it because of the hardship or hard work which your family has done, like your father-in-law or your husband, and now you?
Yeah, of course. It is like we always say, our people, Sattari people are our family. So they are always, they support us like kind of unconditionally. We are always there for them unconditionally. So this has been going on last 50 years, and with God's grace, I think it will continue further. We are always there for our people, and they understand us, we understand them. So it just works out many times it works out.
Is it all this because of your hard work that you all have been putting up in the last so many years?
Yes, definitely. The relationship asa amchi. Like to get somebody unopposed elected, they also work in that area, the people who are standing. So they don't want infighting. Everybody is ours. Panchayat election are 4 candidate rata. We can't support one person and say we won't support the others, because saglats amche. So it's different from assembly elections, right? So, but tests magi tanche bhitar decide kartat, and everybody like that they come to us, and then everybody is like one happy family म्हणतात असे.
आणि उरलेले तुमच्याच असतले once elections are.
सगळे आमचेच असतले. दोन्ही कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीज आमच्याच सगळे फुल पॅनल जातले. वाळपोय आणि पर्याय फॉर शुअर.
Okay.